Court proceedings progressing for the two Las Vegas women facing charges in a crash that killed two toddlers. Thank you for joining us at 4. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Brian Loftus. The driver of that vehicle was in North Las Vegas Justice Court this morning. That crash happening more than 3 weeks ago near Lone Mountain and Clayton.
Ryan Matthew joins us in studio with today's update. Ryan.
Yeah, Brian and Kirsten. Renisha Washington posted a $25,000 bail prior to Christmas. Documents show she was the passenger in that crash as well as the mother of those two toddlers. The driver is her sister, Kalia Manning. She's still in jail, but the judge sliced her bail in half, while her attorneys say she denies almost everything. 25-year-old Kalia Manning rolled into North Las Vegas Justice Court for the second time in a month.
Stop touching the child.
She's accused of driving with more than double the Nevada blood alcohol limit while her two toddler nieces sat improperly restrained in the back. The car slammed into a tree and the toddlers died.
She has denied these allegations.
Her attorneys, Dan Winder and Arnold Weinstock, asked for a reduced bail, citing her immobility due to the crash injuries and her willingness to, quote, prove her innocence.
The only thing allegedly she has done wrong is that she was driving a motor vehicle while under the influence.
They cite concerns with the car's power steering, but to the DA's office,
this defendant is absolutely a danger to this community.
Clark County Deputy District Attorney Yu Meng citing Manning's prior criminal history as reasons to keep her in custody.
Because two toddlers died. What kind of assurances, with that history of the decision-making process, assures this community that this defendant is going to make a good decision while out?
How do I know she's going to come back if she's released?
Despite those concerns of Judge Natalie Tyrell, she sliced Manning's bail from $100,000 to $50,000 on the condition she remains on house arrest with high-level electronic monitoring.
It's not over until it's over, and we are in the process of preparing our case and trying to bolster our position, as the state obviously is going to try to bolster their position, but that's what courts are for.
Now, the preliminary hearing was pushed back nearly 2 months. The state will then determine if there's enough evidence to go to trial. That includes examining the crashing vehicle. Both North Las Vegas police and a private mechanic professional, they're examining it together before the next date. And by the way, the family of the two toddlers say they will be laid to rest tomorrow. Kirsten?
Thank you very much, Ryan. He did mention that Manning's criminal history includes hurting a police officer during a high school fight in 2016. Now, the attorney wants to let people know for the family that they are warning against donating to online fundraisers, saying there's no guarantee the family will get that money as no official fundraisers have been created. Brian?